we're going to compare the personal loans from Citibank and Santander. We've spent years working in the lending industry and we've tracked dozens of lenders. We want to break down these two lenders so that you can see which one might be better for your situation. Just a quick note about each of these companies. Citibank is the retail banking division of Citigroup, the fourth largest bank in the United States, with total assets of $1.68 trillion. That's a lot of zeros. Santander is a Spanish bank that has $67 billion in deposits in the United States and has branches in these 10 states. Both of these banks offer personal loans. Let's check out how they compare. The first thing that we're going to look at is the loan amounts that they offer. Citibank offers loans as low as $2,000, and Santander will not lend less than $5,000. So if you're looking for just a little bit of money to cover an emergency, Citibank offers a little bit more flexibility on the low end. If you're looking for a more substantial amount of money, Citibank will lend as much as $30,000, but Santander will lend as much as $50,000. So Santander wins the higher end. Citibank's terms go up to 5 years, while Santander will lend between 3 and 7 years. 7 years is a long time to carry debt, so you will want to be careful not to be enamored by a low monthly payment that will keep you paying interest for much longer than you should. Just remember, regardless of what your term is, make extra principal payments in the first year. That will save you a lot of money on interest in the long run and shorten the amount of time that you're in debt. Now let's look at the cost of the two loans. Citibank's lowest APR is 10.49% and Santander's is 7.99%. 7.99% is one of the lowest in the industry right now, so Santander gets highlighted. Citibank's maximum APR is 20.49%. That's not the best rate out there right now, but it's actually pretty good. Santander's maximum is 24.99%, so Citibank gets credit for the lower top rate. Neither bank will charge an origination fee on their loans. In terms of context, I would say about half of all lenders will not charge an origination fee. It's great when they don't, because it means that the full cost of borrowing is wrapped up in that interest rate. That's good because it means that the best way of saving money on the loan is to make extra principal payments. They both offer some discounts too. Citibank offers a discount if you sign up for autopay for your monthly payments. They also offer a discount to their priority customers. But I'm not sure whether that's valid for most people, because to be a priority customer, you have to have a certain amount of money in a Citibank account. If you have that much money in one of the accounts right now, you probably don't need to be taking out a loan. Santander also offers a discount for signing up for autopay, but it isn't as generous, so we'll highlight Citibank in this category. Both Citibank and Santander will lend to people with good to excellent credit. I would think you would struggle to get approved if your credit score was below 670, but that's just a guideline. Most lenders don't make a decision on credit score alone. They build a proprietary algorithm that uses things like debt-to-income ratio, payment history, income, and other data. The point, though, is that these lenders are going to be rather restrictive. Neither Citibank nor Santander accepts cosigners on their personal loans. A cosigner is someone who agrees to pay off the loan if you fail to repay it. If you have a spouse or a loved one that has a stronger credit profile than you do, adding them can improve your chances of being approved, getting more money, or getting a lower rate. Unfortunately, neither of these lenders offer that option. If you want to use the personal loan to consolidate credit card balances or other loans, Citibank will directly pay off your other debts for you from the proceeds of the loan. It's convenient when a lender will do that, but it's good for another reason. It shows that the lender understands that the new loan will replace your other debts and not just stack on top of them. That means that the new loan shouldn't change your debt-to-income ratio. That should make it easier to be approved by them. Santander will not directly pay off your other debts, but I put an asterisk there because they will take into account the debts you are consolidating when you apply. Still, I'll highlight Citibank. Speaking of consolidation, Citibank will not allow you to consolidate any balances on Citibank credit cards. So if you have a problem with Citibank credit card balances, Citibank might not be the best option for you. Santander does not have this restriction. Citibank does have a curious policy that says that if you default on one of their loans, your interest rate could increase 2%. Citibank does not define what default means to them, but the lending industry usually defines a default as 90 days past due. So keep an eye on the fine print of their loan agreement. Let's summarize what we've discussed about personal loans offered by Citibank and Santander. Both Citibank and Santander have their fair share of green cells. I think both would be pretty good lenders. Of course, for many people, the most important thing is whether you can get the money that you need at the lowest possible price. In that case, the most important thing might be who would give you the best deal in your particular situation. That's why we always recommend that before you accept a loan, you should shop around. Find the best deal. You may not qualify for one, yet still qualify for an even better option. You just never know. At the Yukon Project, we've tried to make shopping around easy. If you visit our marketplace page, you can apply to any one of our featured lenders, and behind the scenes, we will check your rate with up to 40 other lenders. Our partners use a soft credit check, so applying won't hurt your credit score. We will show you all of the approved offers so that you can pick the loan that's best for you. If you have any questions about either one of these lenders that we didn't cover, leave a comment below and we'll try to answer it. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.